Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last tutorial, I have covered the advanced feature of these stream operations. So this is a continuation story of these advanced stream operations. In my previous tutorial, I have covered that how we are going to use that group by functions for a stream to like grouping all the employees by department, right? Now in this tutorial I'm going to cover the two more features about the flat map and the parallel stream. This flat map for actually use for the nested structure, like transform the nested structure like list of list into the list of something. Flat map is used to flatten nested structure. If you have a list of lists and want it convert into a single list of elements, the flat map helps to achieve that by transforming each nested list into its individual elements. Now let's take one example. Okay, so for that we need to create one class, let's say flat map example, where we need to define one main method. Let me create this one here, class, then flat map example. Here we just need the main method, so that's why I tick this one. Okay, so now here we need to defining one list of list. Let me add the list of list dummy data over here. We need to import this list from this util.list. So here if you see, we are creating list.of. Over here we have added another list.of over here, so it will be treated as a list of list something. Now we need to convert this list of string into list of string. So how we are going to doing that? We just need to, okay, let me dot stream, okay, then dot flat map. Here we need to write the function, means we need to write list dot stream. Okay, here then we need to collect. Here what we are going to write? We are going to write this collectors dot to list. We need to store it into somewhere, like list of string equals to flat list. So this operations actually is now complete, like we have converted this list of list into a list of string using this flat map. Now we just need to print this one. How we are going to print this? Just we need to write some kind of sysout for this flat list. Okay, now let run this application. Run as Java application, so it will print the result in a console. So if you see Java, Python, C++, Rust and JavaScript. So previously it was having a list of lists. Now we have merged or convert it into a list of string. So this is a easy things that we can achieve using this flat map, right? Next example we are going to see about the parallel streams. Parallelize the computations of large datasets. Parallel stream split the computation into multiple threads for faster processing. It's effective for large dataset but should be used cautiously to avoid thread safety issues. Let me take one example for this one also. Let me create another class over here, parallel stream example. Here again we need the main method over here. So here we can, like if we want to do of some of these, okay, some of this 1 to 1000, so that actually we have taken this int stream dot range 1 to 1000, then parallelly we are mapping those things and we are calculating the sum of it. Now we just need to print this sum of square, because here in a map basically we are just squaring this one, right? And then we are calculating the sum of it is in a parallel processing. Now if we run this application, then it will give us the summation of this. It's actually out of, it's not taking this, so it's going to the half of, let me keep it as a long. it's actually past the range, so that's why it's enough. Let's say it's a enough 1. Okay, then let me application. Yes, so this is the summation of it. Okay, so in this way basically we can use this parallel stream to do some this kind of activities for faster processing. In this is all about this one. So in this tutorial I've covered these two functionalities. One is the flat map, another one is the parallel stream. In coming tutorial I'm going to cover the another two things, that about the infinite streams and the function components and the other things. So this is about this one. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.